It's beer time, and today we have Rolling Papers Hazy IPA at 5.2% ABV from Bullhouse.
So we got this one from a mixed box beer merchants, and it was £3.70, so quite expensive. Now this business started in a cattle shed in 2011 in Belfast.
Were the cattle still in it?
No, hence the name Bullhouse.
Oh, okay.
And they launched in 2016. The guy that started it was a guy called Willie Main, and he'd been travelling around the US.
Willie Main what?
Willie Main. Travelling around the US, inspired by different IPAs he'd had, came back, started homebrewing in the cattle shed, and then eventually got his own brewery. And the ethos of this brewery is all around beer being a catalyst for like community. You know, people coming together, having a beer, having a chat. No, it's important, isn't it?
It's important. So they're in Belfast then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not about drinking.
We've got an Irish beer.
We've got an Irish beer, yeah. Power shower.
It's not about drinking. You try telling the Irish that.
No, I'm just saying pubs I think are a really crucial community venue, and they're closing down left, right, and centre at the moment. Yeah. And they're really important for people.
They're a community hub.
Yeah. So that's the ethos around his brews. Is it doesn't matter who you are, what your walk of life is. Have a beer with somebody, even if it's a stranger.
I agree. Keep the pubs alive.
Absolutely.
Right. So, it did have a two-finger head, but it's gone to a one finger.
Well, that was talking.
While she was rattling on. It's a really deep orange, isn't it? Hazy.
It's like a dark orange.
Yeah. That's what I meant by deep.
Deep dark.
It looks good, though.
It's still got a decent head.
Yeah. It's stuck around.
Is it hazy?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Can't see through it.
Look at it. Smells like a new style IPA.
Yeah, but there is the tropical flavours, citrusy, hoppy, but I'm getting a little bit pepper.
Are you? No,
or some kind of spice there as well.
I'm not getting that on the nose.
Only very slightly.
But it smells like you expect it to smell.
Yeah, it's got all the tropical aromas and
citrus
notes. It smells good though. It's not overpowering, is it?
No, it's pleasant. It's nice.
Like some of them, like popping, aren't they? It's all there, but it's not really strong. Let's give it a go, shall we? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Oh, okay.
Pretty good, that.
There's everything you'd expect, like with a tropical. There's a bitterness at the end, and there is something spicy.
Yeah, there's a spice there, isn't there? It's very subtle, but it's almost like this. It's been seasoned with pepper.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Which kind of works with the bitterness, if you know what I mean.
It's slightly more bitter than I would normally like. The more I drink, the more I can feel it. But it tastes like it's quality.
It's a really nice beer, actually. It's got, tropicals like pineapple, mango and all that.
But they're really well balanced, aren't they? They're not in your face.
But you can still taste the
beer.
The malty flavour, can't you?
It's like a hybrid between an old style IPA and a new style IPA.
Yeah.
So it hasn't gone way over the other side to the new style. It's kind of kept some of the traditions there.
I get you, yeah.
Yeah.
And it works perfectly. It's really nice. It's really smooth.
Like I said, slightly more bitter but that's just for my taste. But you can't knock it at all. It's decent.
What does it say on the back? Fresh, yeah, it's fresh. Hazy, yeah. Hoppy, definitely hoppy. And soft.
Yeah, I suppose it is. It's got that creamy feel.
It's definitely smooth, and I just really like that pepper note to it.
There is definitely that hit at the end, isn't there? You got it from the nose, I didn't, but yeah, it's there. And it adds to it.
It does, yeah, it's nice. I really like that.
Rolling Papers.
We haven't done any Bullhouse beers before, but I'd like to do some more. Because this one is lovely.
You sounded American, but I'd like to do some more.
Should have sounded Irish, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
I'm not very good at an Irish accent.
Especially Northern Irish. I'm not very good at that.
Right, so I guess we better score it. That is a really nice beer. Really nice IPA.
I really like the fact that it's not gone overboard new style.
No.
But it's got those elements to it.
And I love that pepper note to it as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd have it again, would you?
Mm.
I'm going to give that
He's going to go high.
5 out of 5.
No way.
Yeah, I love it. I think it's brilliant beer. That's a cracker, that is.
Full House, 5 out of 5.
That is a nice beer.
It's £3.70.
Well, yeah, it's not cheap, but it's cheaper than a lot of craft beers.
Well, yeah.
You know, we've paid over £5.
It is decent. And do you know what? There's just something different about it, which I really like. Because we've had a lot of IPAs now, a lot of old style and a lot of new style. And they've become samey, and this isn't.
No,
it really isn't.
Yeah,
There's something different.
It's still got that beer base
Yeah.
to it, but it's got the tropicals and, pardon me, citrusy notes. They're not, so you can't taste them, but they're not over the top.
No. And, you know, he worked really hard, Willie. He was like doing all-do's at the weekends.
Oh, you know him,
No, from his story, during the weekends, during the nights, whilst he worked his daytime job. So he'd finish brewing at like 2 in the morning, and then he'd have to be at work in his factory by 7 a.m. the next day. He did that for a long, long time. That's dedication, isn't it?
Yeah, well, he's certainly produced a good beer here.
Yeah, but it was worth it.
Rolling Papers.
Yeah, well done, Willie.
What is that about, Rolling Papers?
I don't know.
It's good though, really good.
Yeah, well done.
So what did you score it?
I didn't score it yet,
Oh.
but I'm going to go quite high.
I want another one of them right now.
I'm going to go 4.7.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's pretty high for you.
It's very high, and there is the bitterness isn't quite right for me, but I can't. There's something really, really good about it.
Really nice beer.
Yeah.
And I don't know whether there is a spice in it at all, but there is a pepper note to it, and it just works so well with that bitterness at the end.
I just love the fact that it's worked. The old and the new IPAs really mixed them up, and
Now, I don't know whether he meant to do that, but whatever he did it bloody well.
he did decent.
Yeah, it's a cracker, that is.
It's a cracker. That's
It's all-
Irish.
It's
a
all
cracker.
about the crack, isn't it?
All about the crack.
Right, so that is, if you like a hazy IPA, give that one a go.
Yeah.
Rolling Papers from Bullhouse, and it's 5.2% ABV. Really nice beer.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep
Right,
rolling,
coming up,
rolling.
we have an Aldi beer.
It's not beer, it's a stout.
Oh, stout's still a beer. And it is Mulligan's Stout at 4.1%, which is exactly the same as Guinness.
As an Irish alternative.
Yeah. And I think it's brewed by
Marsden.
Is it Marsden?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, brewed by Marsden. Is that under the Harper's
Yeah, I think so.
label? So that's what's coming up. But until then,
Cheers.
cheers everyone.